What if I told you there's a secret tool top marketers use to triple their sales almost overnight? In the next few minutes, I'm going to expose how you can harness the power of retargeting ads to skyrocket your affiliate marketing earnings. Miss this, and you might as well kiss those potential profits goodbye. All right, so what exactly are retargeting ads and how do they work? Imagine this. Someone visits your website, takes a look around, maybe even adds something to their cart, but then they leave without making a purchase. In traditional marketing, that's pretty much a lost opportunity. But with retargeting ads, it's a different story. Retargeting ads are a powerful tool that follows your potential customers around the internet. They use a small piece of code called a pixel, which is placed on your website. This pixel tracks visitors by anonymously collecting data on their browsing behavior. When these visitors leave your site and continue to browse other websites, your retargeting ads will appear to remind them of your products or services. It's like giving them a gentle nudge. Hey, remember us? You were interested in this? By constantly staying in front of your previous visitors, retargeting ads significantly increase the chances of them returning and eventually making a purchase. They function almost like a digital salesman who never sleeps, continuously reminding and encouraging your potential customers. How do you feel about retargeting ads now? Have you ever noticed being followed by an ad after visiting a website? Think about the last time you shopped online, added something to your cart, and then life happened. You got distracted, left the site, and totally forgot about that purchase. That's where retargeting ads come into play for affiliate marketers. These little magical reminders all over the internet are designed to bring customers back to complete their purchase. Why are retargeting ads such a game changer in affiliate marketing? Well, they've got a unique edge. Traditional ads are like casting a wide net you're trying to catch just anyone. With retargeting, you're going after fish already nibbling on the bait. These are users who've shown interest, maybe visited your site or added items to their cart. They're warm leads who just need a nudge. The beauty of retargeting ads is in their precision. They allow you to gently remind or even incentivize these almost buyers to return and finalize their purchase. By displaying tailored ads to these visitors as they browse other sites, you're effectively turning lost opportunities into sales. And guess what? This strategy is often more cost-effective than trying to capture new visitors. Retargeting ads typically have higher click-through rates and conversion rates because they target people who already have an initial interest in what you're offering. So, can you recall a time when an ad seemed to follow you around the internet? Did it eventually lead you back to making that purchase? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course. Tailored to shift you from planning to action, this course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. All right, let's get straight into the benefits of using retargeting ads. First up, brand recall. Imagine your logo or product appearing multiple times across different websites. It sticks in people's minds, right? That's exactly what retargeting ads do. They keep your brand visible to potential customers who've already shown interest, ensuring your business remains top of mind. Now, let's talk about return on investment, or ROI. Traditional advertising can feel like a shot in the dark. You spend money hoping it hits the target. Retargeting ads, on the other hand, are laser focused. They aim at users who've already interacted with your site, making it more likely they'll convert. This focused approach means you get more bang for your buck, improving your ROI significantly. Another great benefit is reaching a more engaged audience. These aren't just random browsers. They're people who've engaged with your brand in some way already. Maybe they checked out a product page or even added something to their cart. Retargeting ads help you tap into this warm audience, nudging them closer to making a purchase. And think about this. Retargeting ads can also offer tailored incentives. Maybe it's a discount code just for them or a reminder of the items they left behind. Personalized ads can be the final push they need to go from maybe to definitely buying. So, have you ever felt like an ad was there at the right time, giving you that extra push you needed to make a decision? What was it for? And did it work? Let me know in the comments.